We're going to show you how to assemble your Rhinox excavator pallet forks. When your Rhinox pallet forks arrive, they'll be stacked for safe transport. On your pallet, you'll find an envelope containing a pair of thumb screws. You will need these later. We recommend this assembly be done by 2 people. The first step is to remove the tines from the pallet. We recommend roughly positioning them in front of the carriage. This will make mounting them easier. Next, you'll need to remove the tine bar. To do this, you'll need to remove the bolt and locking collar from the end of the bar. Make sure to store these safely so they can be refitted later. Once the locking collar is off, you can slide the bar out of the carriage. We are recommending removing it completely. This makes the carriage lighter and easier to handle. If you can, position the carriage on the edge of the pallet. It's not essential, but it does make fitting the tines a bit simpler. We would recommend adding a bit of grease inside the mounting hole at the top of each tine. It'll make sliding the bar through much smoother. Now, you can partially slide the bar back through the hole in the carriage, and then through the hole in the top of your first tine. Continue to push the bar through the center support brace. Then line up your second tine and slide the bar as far as you can. You can then refit your locking collar and secure it tightly with the bolt. To make positioning your tines easier, we recommend repositioning the carriage so it's parallel with the ground. The easiest way to do that is to use your excavator gently tip the back of the carriage down. This will then make it easier for you to adjust the position of your tines. Once you've got them to the preferred width, you can secure them in place with the thumb screws. This will stop the tines from sliding left or right during use, but won't prevent them from being able to rotate around the bar. So there you have it. Your pallet forks are ready for action. For tips and tricks on how to use your pallet forks, check out this video here.